Hey there, officer. Were you going fast? Yeah. Were you passing on a double yellow? Okay, here's what we're going to do. Then I'm going to talk to the recording party. Whatever you want to. So, okay, so this gal's going to be here momentarily. She claims she can identify the riders by their helmets. Would you mind if I grab your helmets and just walk back? Yeah, this is you guys. So.
You see what she has on her footage.
Me too. Again, I wasn't there, but
pavement to the dirt, skinny tip in a street. Oh, I'm gonna find a pretty girl, tell her that I love her. How's this for some more Utah territory? Pretty nice out here, huh? I would say so. I'm a little bummed right now. We just got pulled over. We're crossing a double yellow line. And the officer didn't even catch us do it. Some lady with a dash cam has her dash cam rolling. That's beautiful. And says she has us on dash cam. Wow. It's a little hard to be upset when it's this gorgeous. But I am very upset. Because I cannot afford another freaking speeding ticket right now. I think if I can push it off until like October, I think I can take traffic school again then. Man, I am screwed because that's going to be 2 points on my record. This is nice though. Is this an officer too? No. But, you know, I'm hoping that she doesn't send in the footage, and if she does send in the footage, woo, boy, this is beautiful. It's hard to be upset when there's so much beauty here. It really is. But even if she does send in the footage, hopefully the officer, who was very nice, he said he was happy he didn't have to chase us. Guess he's had that happen before. Would not want to do that. But hopefully maybe he'll be nice and say that the footage isn't good enough or something. Wow, this is gorgeous. However, it's very hard to keep a grudge against that bitches who get stitches with all this beauty around. So we will just have to enjoy the beauty and forget about if I had a boat, I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd roll in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark, hoping to find somewhere we can come.
Okay, it should be.
But it's black.
Is it?
Yeah, it's black. Oh, the water.
It's a little up here, yeah.
Cause it's black. It's all black. Black water.
There we go. Check it out.
If I had some time house is on fire. There's no one left to tell. Just take what is given. The doors have been sealed. Just breathe in the poison and oh God is real.
Well, we didn't get very far, but you know.
We got to exactly where we need to be.
What's that?
I could roll back to that gas station to get us firewood.
You want it?
Set up and...
Huh?
Yeah, maybe. Let's. I'll set up camp and set up there. Hey there, Bob.
So here's Brian kicking back at our campsite.
I am. This is a nice campsite. What do you think about it?
Place here. See what's not going on in the background. Yeah. A few bugs flying around. Could be worse. Got our bikes up here. Anyway, how you feeling? And don't say anything about the ticket that you don't know that you
Didn't even cross my mind. All right.
In lieu of a fire.
I might drive back up there and get some wood.
Really?
Yeah, why not? It's not that how far away. It was only like 6 miles.
All right.
Oh my God! I almost just freaking hit that deer. Oh my gosh! Wow. Woo! Man, that was freaky. That was a little scary. Not gonna lie. Hey there, guy. Hi. Oh no. Oh no. Hello, man.
Which way are you going?
I just need some firewood.
Oh,
I'm gonna, oh, hey. Hey there, man. Hey, you can, I have cash, I can give you cash.
just tell her firewood.
I just need firewood. That's it.
Okay, no, give me 10.
Come to my place and I'll give you.
You get one.
Thank you.
And I'll put it down there for firewood.
Thank you.
No, we're neighbors. All right.
Oh, you are?
Hey, can I ask you about the bike?
Yeah, please. I love this bike.
My brother's got an RT.
Oh, nice.
But they're too big for me. I got too little crotch.
They are big. Can I ask you this?
Yeah.
Have you done the Burr Trail?
Yeah.
So do you think this will be okay on it?
Well, do you like dirt?
I love dirt.
Oh, really?
I love dirt, yeah.
It kind of depends. You go out about 20 miles, you got to watch them. And then the other thing you got to watch, there's sand on the road. I went down twice. There it is.
Oh man, no! Please keep it.
Yeah, no.
I know it's only $2, but
No.
it's just a thank you. It's a thank you.
Okay.
I mean, I would give you $20 for that firewood. I'm serious.
No, fun.
Hi. How you doing?
Escalante.
I should have done too. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, it's on its way. Good job, Bob.
You're the man.
Fight the darkness till break of day.
I have to say that I think we're going to blessed with a lesson out of that. So one way or another, I hope it's that through thought and discussion that rings a forgiveness bell. Gives kind of a I don't know. My thought is if I can forgive them for pointing me out.
I used to love the tenderloin until I made some tender coin. Then I met some ladies from Marin. We took the highway to the one up the coast to catch some sun. They left me with these blisters on my skin. Now I don't know what I was on, but I think it was all gone. So I kept on going right through. We've driven to Seattle rain, fell in love and missed a train. It could have brought me right back home to you. I've been high, I've been low, I've been yes and I've been oh no, in a rock and rollin' disco. Yes, I'm going to Colorado.
We're at the Burr Trail switchbacks. Bob and I are at the top right now. We are gonna go down that. Thanks for watching. Look forward to joining you on the next episode. Until then, maybe you'll like this video YouTube suggests.